So, hello college math students, we're going to continue our study of compounding interest. This time though, we need to do some algebraic manipulation. Now, that might sound difficult, but this is actually a relatively straightforward manipulation. Now, if we read this question, we're asked how much needs to be invested. So, if we look at the compound interest formula, they're asking about what is the principal. So we need to make P the subject of this equation. We know that it's going to amount, the final amount will be 2,500. So when we put this in, we put 2,500 where the final amount is, equals P times 1 plus, okay, we've got 8%, 0.08, compounding twice annually, so we divide that by 2, and this is in 3 years' time. So 3 years, twice annually, 3 by 2 is 6. That's our n value. Now, what we want is to make P the subject of the equation. We want P on its own. So we need all this stuff here to be on the other side. Now that looks like a lot of stuff to manipulate, but in fact we can take it all in one fell swoop. Now what is that big set of brackets doing to P? Which mathematical operation? It's multiplying. So on the other side it will do the opposite of that, which is divide. Okay, so what we end up with basically is this, that P equals 2,500 on 1 plus 0.08 over 2. Up to the power of 6 rather. Now you can rearrange beforehand and write this on your cheat sheet. What we know is that the principal is equal to the amount divided by. I'll just write the general formula, not with the numbers. So you can have this written on your cheat sheet. You don't need to rearrange this every time. Okay, let's check what the number is here. I haven't done this one yet, so I'll do this on the calculator. So that's the skill here, will be to practice putting this one into the calculator and make sure you can get the same answer as this. And the number I get is 1975.79. Okay, so we need to have this formula rearranged if we're going to find the principal. So go ahead and try the questions in the description for the video.